Napoleon's new 3-sided electric fireplace series comes in 2 sizes, 50 and 60 inch, and boasts the highest heat output in its category. Showcase these fireplaces with either the Northern Woods log set or acrylic crystals, or combine them both for the ultimate display. Effortlessly control all the features using the handheld remote control or the touchscreen control panel with motion proximity sensor. Countless features including a variety of flame color settings with brightness adjustment options, 13 color top lights, and 13 color ember bed lights for unlimited possibilities. Napoleon's Trivista electric fireplaces can be used all year round because of their ability to operate the luminous flames with or without heat. For the ultimate in versatility, end panels are included to allow you to install the 3-sided fireplace as a 2-sided or 1-sided, depending on your desired location for installation. Easily transform any room in your home with these beautiful, contemporary electric fireplaces. Brought to you by Napoleon.